In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Google Sheets on your iPad and some of the basic features you might use within Google Sheets. You will access Google Sheets through Safari, so you'll open your Safari app and go to google.com. At Google, I'm going to click up on my Google waffle, which is in the top right corner. That's going to give me access to my Google Apps. I'm going to look for Sheets, which is the green sheet of paper with the white grid. Click on it, and that opens up Sheets for me. And down here, I have access to all of my recently worked on spreadsheets, along with anything that's been shared with me. But for today, I'm going to open a new document by clicking on blank presentation. When I open Google Sheets, if I get a message asking if I want to download the Sheets app, please select not interested anytime it appears. We are going to be working with Sheets through our browser. Once I open up the document, the first thing I want to do though is I want to change the name of it. I'm going to change this to classwork example. And this will prevent me from having unnamed documents in my Google Sheets. To add something to a cell, I can just click on it and I can add information to it by typing. Now, as far as editing my document goes, if I click on Format, I'm going to find options for formatting my cells. I can also find some of these features in my toolbar, which is over here. I may need to click on the three dots to find all of my features on my toolbar. Now, at the bottom of the spreadsheet, I have the ability to add in additional tabs. Right now, I have one tab. If I click on the plus here, I can add in an additional tab and have the ability to go between them. I can rename them by clicking on the downward facing arrow and going to rename. I can also change the order of them by clicking move right or left, or I can also click on one and drag it over. Up in the top right, I see my share settings. I'm going to click on that. And from here, I have the ability to update my share settings. I can change the access for the link and then copy the link and share that out however I see fit. Up in here, if I want to share it with specific people, I can type in their name and then I can send an email to them letting them know that the document has been shared with them. I hope this video has helped you become more knowledgeable in effectively using Google Sheets as a learning tool.